Hi, I'm Joe. Once again, and it's been a while, you're in Joe's Kitchen. Today, we're in celebration mode. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas, everybody. And as a gift from me to you, I am sharing with you one of my favorite recipes. And well, without further ado, let's get to it.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right. We're gonna eat and eat. 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 Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. Oh yeah.
Well, welcome again. And like I said, I've got a special present for you for these holidays. And it is Joe's Kitchen Jerk seasoning. It's my version of the Jamaican Jerk seasoning. Now, if you've watched other videos I've done where I've done the Jamaican Jerk chicken using the marinade and all that, this is just kind of gives you the flavor. It's all the spices put together. This video should go pretty quick, but we're going to have fun with it at the same time. As you can see, it's a different kitchen. And this is why it's been so long since my last video. We've been in the process of moving. And meanwhile, there's also been hurricanes. But we made it safely. We have the new kitchen, new house, new home. And we're excited about producing some more videos for you. So today we're doing the Joe's Kitchen Jerk seasoning. A great gift for someone in your family who you just think the most of. Because, well, they're not the jerk, but anyhow, you get the picture. All right. It's got a lot of stuff in it, okay? It's got a lot of stuff in it. I used to be able to remember all these things when I was much younger, but I can't. So I'm going to use this as and there's a lot of scribble on here because I've been really working this recipe, perfecting it just for you. And so anyhow, I'm going to use this as a cheat sheet. I'm actually making ×3 of the recipe, and I'll put the recipe up on the screen. You'll see it. It'll also be in the description. Oh, and always, you know, somebody might make a make a special appearance, Baby the cat, a little later in this video maybe. Anyways, we're going to put this stuff together. I've already pre-measured everything. Like I said, I'm doing this a ×3 batch because I don't normally make this much seasoning, but I've got some special ideas of what to do with this. So when you see it looks like a lot compared to what the recipe says, it's because I've tripled it basically. So I'm putting on some gloves and get ready. And yes, I want to tell you that one of the ingredients is coconut palm sugar. Well, I guess he decided not to wait and he's going to make his appearance now. There's Baby the cat. What are you doing, Baby the cat? Well, you want to make some Jamaican Jerk special Joe's Kitchen Jerk seasoning? Okay, stay off the counter, please. Hey, anyhow, who knows? We might leave that in or we might just cut it out. We have coconut palm sugar. And anyhow, it's kind of a substitute for brown sugar, and I'm using that in this recipe. And it's kind of a 1-to-1 substitute. So for every 1 tablespoon of brown sugar in a recipe, you would just use 1 tablespoon. That's very comparable in flavor, a lot better for you. Anyhow, all right. So let's get started. First things first. I've kind of doubled up some of these ingredients, and we're just going to go right through them. I'm going to start with nutmeg, and we're in the recipe. You'll see it's 1 teaspoon. I've actually, and I'm not going to keep telling you this, but I got 3 teaspoons here. But that's 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Allspice, one of the important ingredients of your jerk seasoning or Jamaica jerk seasoning. Allspice, from the allspice berry, from the pimento bush. Here we have the cayenne. Again, you can do this to your liking, however much you want to put in there. This is going to be 1.5 teaspoons. Like a little heat with my Jamaica jerk chicken or whatever. And we're going to put that in there, 1.5 teaspoons. You can put less, you can put more. All right. We're going to smoked paprika. Traditionally, Jamaican jerk chicken or anything Jamaica jerk is cooked over open wood. It's actually pimento wood in Jamaica. And so smoked paprika is ideal. You can use regular sweet paprika, but we're going to use smoked. It's going to give that little bit of that smoky flavor to the seasoning. And myself, I think that's important. And that was 1.5 teaspoons. Now we go to onion powder and garlic powder. I've got those together here. Kind of ran out of bowls. I had to kind of improvise, but they always go together. Onion and garlic powder always seem to go together. They're like peas in a pod. We got 1 tablespoon of each. This is again tripled, so it looks like a lot more than 1 tablespoon of each. But we got 1 tablespoon of each times 3. That's onion powder, garlic powder. Then salt and pepper. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of each. In this recipe, again, we're tripling it. Salt and pepper. We're using Himalayan pink salt. And we have 1 teaspoon of cumin. And we also have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon in your recipe. Okay, you can drop that in. Cumin adds a nice little flavor burst for this recipe. A lot of this right here. This is our aka brown sugar, but it's our brown coconut sugar. Okay, and we're going to pour that in. That is actually going to be, where am I? Oh, there it is. 6 tablespoons. I guess I could have converted that to cups and quarter cups and all that, but I didn't. All right. So that was 6 tablespoons of the brown coconut sugar. We're going to thyme and parsley. Thyme and parsley. We're going with 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1 teaspoon of parsley. This recipe, not the tripling of it, but one single recipe will give you about a full one of these, maybe a little more. Okay, then we got cloves, which is 1 teaspoon, and we got 2 tablespoons of ginger, another important ingredient, ginger, allspice, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg. All those are real important for the distinct flavor of this dish, as well as the cayenne. Traditional marinade for Jamaica jerk would have the Scotch bonnet pepper, or kind of like a habanero pepper. So you definitely want some heat to it, so that's why we added the cayenne. But ginger also gives you a little heat. It gives you that very sharp flavor too, which is very nice. So we got 2 tablespoons of the ginger, 1 teaspoon of cloves. And there we go, that's ground cloves. Well, we got a couple more things to do here. What we're going to do is, we've got fresh red pepper and chives. Green onions is a normal ingredient in the marinade, so we're going to substitute a little bit with the chives, dried chives, but they won't shake out of the shaker. And by the way, this seasoning, I want to show you. This seasoning, okay, these holes, this isn't going to shake very well out of here. If you're cooking certain things that you're rubbing, like let's say you're doing chicken wings or some kind of chicken, take the top off and do it that way. And mix it up good because it does settle, and then rub it on your protein, whatever it might be. Makes great chicken wings, by the way. All right, so we're going to do chives. First, we're going to do, how much? Okay, we're going to do a tablespoon, but we're going to triple that. So we're doing 3 tablespoons. So here we go, tablespoon. 1, 2, 3. Oops, went all overboard there. No worries. And fresh red peppers is a teaspoon. We're going to do 3 teaspoons. since it's 1 teaspoon in the actual recipe. Again, refer to the recipe wherever it might be in the screen here and the description of this video. So teaspoon, where am I? There we are. And I said 3, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Something like the crushed red peppers, the cayenne. You can kind of do it to taste, put less or more, however you like to do it. All right, and now there it goes. And we're gonna muddle this of some sort. We're just gonna we're just trying to break down the cracked pepper and the chives. We'll let the flavors kind of bleed out a little bit. And you're not gonna be able to get this into a powder form, I don't think. I mean, maybe if you had stronger arms than me, but I'm just trying to break them down a little bit, get those flavors out. And a little circular motion is really good. There we go. All right. Oof, cramps. And we're just drop that right in, like so. So now all that's left is to stir it up. So we just stir it up, just like so. Stir it up, just like so. And you might want to actually have some gloves on. Break down, if you can see the ginger here, powdered ginger is clumped, and sometimes other seasonings will be clumped too. So I'm going to press those and kind of smash them, just kind of get them all incorporated. I'll just actually put my hands in there like that. And it's actually a better way of doing it than using a whisk. You can see that just really incorporating. You don't know the smell right now. Oh, it's so good. I'm telling you, like, you get used to using like blackened seasoning on like chicken and stuff every day. This is something that's nice and different, gives you different taste. And if you've never had like Jamaican cuisine, especially Jamaican jerk chicken, and you don't want to go all out, just make this recipe, and you can sprinkle that on some chicken wings, rub it on them. You can rub it on meat as well. Would be good on pork ribs. It's also good just shake it on some eggs in the morning. I do that all the time. So there we go. That's Joe's Kitchen You Jerk seasoning. You jerk. Well, all that's left is the tasting. So I'm gonna tell you, this will bring a little heat, but you know, the cayenne, the crushed red pepper, even the ginger. And I'm not going to put a lot in there. It's too bad I don't have anything to really test it with, but I've made this seasoning quite a few times, and I'm very confident to tell you it is very nice, and it's very good, very versatile. So anyhow, we're going to try this. Here we go. Merry Christmas, everybody. That was a lot. Success. Well, thanks for coming along with me. I hope you have a wonderful holiday and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Maybe I'll see you before then, but if not, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy food.
We're gonna eat, we're gonna eat, we're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat. We're gonna eat and eat. Welcome to Joe's Kitchen, yeah, we're gonna eat. That's right. We're gonna eat and eat.